If you want to mount your TV but don't know where the studs are for best supporting the weight, then you need a panel TV stand, specially designed and engineered for mounting your TV without marring your walls. These are set to support its weight, and the base can accommodate all your components, all in a very fetching setup. See collection for panel TV stands options in our video. Conventional design theories that you blend the TV stand design with the remaining furniture pieces, but it's not really mandatory. Panels can be used as stand-alone furniture pieces that create a contrast or pop out from the rest of the decor. Wood is classy and can blend with all type of decor. If you do not want to opt for solid wood, which has a very traditional vibe about it, go for engineered wood or MDF with veneered finishes. If you are looking for something that looks visually light yet stylish, then you can opt for a glass or a metallic panel stand with a mirror finish. In this video, you are watching how to design with a panel TV stand. Keep watching this video till the end, and for more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel Home Interiors. LCD panels and TV wall units is the unique beauty in the room decor. The wooden wall unit is the additional beauty of the room. It brings the new look in the home. Best LCD manufacturer as per room size. Wooden LCD unit are the elegant modern LCD unit which gives you excellent attraction.